Hey, due diligence detectives, welcome to another edition of our series where we give you the lay of the land on the latest and greatest in biotech. Today we're diving into Kriya Therapeutics, so let's get to it. So what's the 411 on Kriya Therapeutics? Founded in 2019, Kriya Therapeutics is a fully integrated gene therapy company with operations in Durham, North Carolina and Palo Alto, California. They are dedicated to developing transformative gene therapies for widespread chronic diseases like diabetes, vision loss, and epilepsy. Their aim is to make these life-changing treatments accessible to a broader patient population. What's cooking in Kriya's pipeline? Well, they've got a range of programs in the works. In ophthalmology, they're looking at 𝗘𝗫𝗦𝗧𝗑𝗫𝗓 for geographic atrophy and 𝗘𝗫𝗏𝗏𝗧 for thyroid eye disease. For metabolic diseases, there's 𝗘𝗫𝗦𝗏𝗏𝗧 for type 1 diabetes and 𝗘𝗫𝗏𝗏𝗧 for metabolic dysfunction-associated fatty liver disease. Now, let's talk about collaborations and acquisitions. Kriya recently acquired Kriya Therapeutics to boost their neurology portfolio with novel chemogenetic platforms for treating epilepsy and trigeminal neuralgia. The terms of the deal were not disclosed. This acquisition adds to Kriya's existing gene therapy pipeline and strengthens their research and development capabilities. Additionally, Kriya acquired 𝗬𝗏𝗧𝗏𝗏𝗘𝗏 Therapeutics to add a preclinical gene therapy program for non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, a form of metabolic-associated fatty liver disease, to their metabolic disease pipeline. This one-time intramuscular gene therapy expresses fibroblast growth factor 21, or FGF21, an anti-inflammatory and anti-fibrotic protein. What makes Kriya stand out is their integrated approach, which includes Kriya Technologies focused on computational biology and machine learning to optimize gene therapy design, and Kriya manufacturing with scalable GMP manufacturing facilities to ensure quality and efficient production of gene therapies. This end-to-end control over their therapies' development and production gives them a competitive edge. In terms of financials, Kriya has raised over $600 million in committed capital since its inception. Their latest Series C financing round saw them raise over $430 million to support the advancement of their clinical programs, expansion of manufacturing capabilities, and enhancements to their technology platforms. With such a strong financial backing, Kriya is well positioned to make significant strides in their research and development efforts. In conclusion, Kriya Therapeutics is at the forefront of gene therapy innovation with a broad pipeline of gene therapies for prevalent chronic diseases, strategic collaborations, and an integrated approach to manufacturing and technology. As they continue to advance their therapies into clinical trials and seek regulatory approvals, the impact of their work in transforming the treatment of chronic diseases could be profound. Alright, due diligence detectives, we've looked at the data together. Now it's time for you to take your turn in the lab. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. What do you think of Kriya Therapeutics' approach to gene therapy? Do you see potential for their therapies to revolutionize treatment options for chronic diseases? Let us know, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on all things biotech. Until next time, stay curious and keep asking questions. After all, the best discoveries are made by those who are curious enough to ask the right questions.